Hello students, today we will deal with some SQL concept. Distinct. What is a distinct? Distinct means repetition is not allowed. For example, you can see select city from student. You can see there is a repetition. But if I use the keyword distinct, repetition will be removed. Order by clause is used for sorting. Order by clause is used for sorting. Suppose I want to sort it on marks. I will say order by marks. You can see marks are in ascending order. Suppose I want to sort them in descending order. I have to write DESC. So now marks are in descending order. Count clause. Count is used to count the records. Select count star from student. You can see 11 records. But if I write select count marks, it is 10. Why? Because in there is a null. Null means undefined value. So in marks you have entered only 10 records. Use is used to upload the database. Suppose I want to open database A1. I will write use use A1. You see database changed. Degree is known as number of columns. For this particular table, degree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. City, section, city, marks, name, roll number. So this table is having 5 degree, and cardinality means number of records or number of rows. So this table have cardinality 11. Database. What is a database? In which you store your tables. Suppose create database X. So I have created database X. Wildcards. In this table, suppose I want to see only the record of student whose name starts with Y. So I will write select star from student where name like Y percent. So percent is a wildcard which present n number of characters. You can see. Suppose I want to see the name of students whose second character is A, and then n number of characters may be there. So you can see second character is A. Underscore represents single character, percent represent n number of characters, and these two are known as wildcards. And like operator is used with wildcards. Between. Suppose I want to see marks between 90 and 100. It will include 90 also and 100 also. You can see. Now, in operator. Suppose I want to see marks in 99, comma 91. Yes, this is your in operator. Now, where clause is also clear. Where clauses you give simple conditions where marks greater than 75. Having clause is used with group by clause. Select job, some pay from MP, group by job and having some pay greater than 8,000. Suppose I use group by here. Select city from student, group by city. You can see I want to see the records, how many records are from this city. Count star. Now suppose I want to give condition. I will write having. With group by I will write having you can give any condition, having count star greater than 2. You can see you can use having with group by clause for giving conditions. Then round and truncate are also very important functions. Select round 89.67, 1. It will give 89.7 because 7 is 5 or greater than 5. In round off function, if our number is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 to the previous digit. So in this we have to take decimal place 1, that is 6. Now 6, because next to the 6th digit is 7 which is greater than 5, so 1 will be added in the previous digit. But in truncate function it is not so. In truncate it will just cut down. This 89.6, it hardly matters next digit is 5 or greater than 5. Now and current date. Select now. This will give you current date and time of your system. Select current date. This will also give you current date. It will give just date, it will not give time. Select sys date. It will give system date. What is the difference between now and sys date? Suppose I say select current date, sleep now, sleep 3 seconds. Then again I will say I will call now function. You can see your times is same. Now suppose I say sys date, you can see there is a difference of 3 seconds. So in now function it take the time when your query has been executed, but in system date it will take your system time only. So this is all about today class. Thank you students.